Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials. Let me show you probably the easiest way to loop your tracks seamlessly, so you won't hear the transition. The Adobe Audition created this perfectly. So to do that, before we start, just go to Window, Workspace and Classic, so we can have the same interface, so you can easily follow this tutorial. Import one of your songs. For example, I will import this Ice and Fire and Song like this. I will move this to the beginning, and you can see it's about 4 minutes long. Let's say we want to make this to be 10 minutes long. Select your clip, and we need the properties panel. If you don't see the properties panel, just go over here, Window, and make sure to enable these properties or hit Alt+3, and we can see the properties window. I will close everything, and the most important thing is this remix over here. This is super great. Just hit enable remix and wait for a few seconds. After it's done, you can see that the target duration is 4 minutes. Let's say we want this to be 10 minutes long, for example. 10 minutes and 4 seconds. Hit enter, and you can see, if I zoom out, that our song is now 10 minutes long. And if you zoom in, you can see all these cuts that Adobe Audition made for us to make this perfect. If you play over this cut, you can see and you will hear how smooth this is. And this is practically it. Very easy, very straightforward, and very high quality. And if you like this video, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.